You are welcome to exfoliation question and answers. You are welcome. Have you been following me on this channel? If yes, then you should be the first to score 100% if you have been following me. Okay, the first 20 channel to score 100%, we receive a gift of toning serum medium. Toning serum medium, flip him so that they can see you. Toning serum medium, the first 20 people to score 100%. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is Auntie Doyin not generous? I am super generous, mind you. A round of applause for me. Okay. The idea is to test your knowledge so far. How far have you been following Auntie Doyin on this lecture series? It's very important for me to know that you are there and that you are following me, okay? And possibly document same. I would love to document same, okay? And possibly use it as your continuous assessment when you one day request for diploma in exfoliation therapy. Okay, so that's the idea. So now, this is the way to go. Mayowa will be asking the questions, and Mayowa, by the way, introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Mayowa Bimbola. I'm a student of Learning Beauty Institute.
A round of applause for Mayowa. Hallelujah. So Mayowa will be reading out the questions while I will lead you to where you can get the answers. Okay? So as soon as the question is, you hear the questions, you just go to the comment section and say, question 1, Z. Question 2, W. Question 3, A. Question 4, that's it. There are just 5 questions. So simple. You don't need to write exfoliation therapy is this, and don't write all those long stories. Just say question 1, this, question 3. So that's it.
So question 1 says, skin exfoliation that is not measured by interval can cause dash. Option A, skin dullness. Option B, skin cell to die. Option C, weak or poor skin elasticity leading to premature aging.
So the clue to your answer is in video 1. Go to the description, okay, section, and listen to video 1 again. And the title of that video 1 is Stop Exfoliation and Listen to This. That's the title of the first video. Question 2.
Question 2. The skin exfoliation taught so far is dash. Option A, physical exfoliation. Option B, chemical exfoliation.
Okay, and the clue is lecture 2. Lecture 2. The clue to your answer is in lecture 2. The title of lecture 2 says your skin can renew itself. So go to the description section, click on lecture video 2, beg your pardon, listen to it again, you will get your answer. But if you have been following me, like I said, you should be the fastest finger at the comment section. Question 3.
Question 3. Over exfoliation can cause dash. Option A, skin softness. Option B, skin damage. Option C, nice skin.
That's question 3. Your resource is still lecture 2. Same as lecture 2. Description section, lecture 2. The skin can renew itself. You will find your answer there. Okay? Lecture 4,
Question 4. It's important to consider that the skin has the ability to exfoliate itself before doing your exfoliation. True or false?
True or false?
Option A, true. Option B, false.
True or false? Interesting. Okay. So you should be the fastest finger. But anyway, let me give you a link to where you can get your answer at the description section. Is lecture 2. Lecture 2. Okay. Lecture 2. Okay. So go on.
Question number 5, which is the last
Which is
question.
the last question.
Your skin, sorry. You can skip skin exfoliation when you see this sign. Option A, sparing skin shedding after bath. Option B, chunks skin shedding after bath. Option C, dull skin after bath.
Easy. These are very, everybody should win toning serum medium, honestly. So, but anyway, your resource lecture is lecture 4. Your resource lecture is lecture 4. And what's the title of lecture 4? It says signs that skin needs exfoliation. So that's the title. That's where you can get your answer to that question. That's a link. So all of these links will be posted at the description section. So hurry up, submit your answers. Your product is waiting for you. Welcome to Aunty Doyin Scrub. I'll see you next week. Shalom.